Hello friends, my name is Priyanka. How are you all? Welcome to my channel, and let me tell you, this is my very first video, and in this video I'm showing you all my Vision IS notes which I bought from Mukherjee Nagar, Delhi. And I went to shop to buy all these notes, and I paid something around 3600 rupees in total. And in description box you will get the mobile number of that shop. It is famous by the name of Rajesh Bookshop, I guess. And they provide all stuff. Like if I'm talking about the Vision IS notes, Vision wale jo hain, they provide all stuff as per the syllabus apart from ancient and medieval history. So if you want to buy notes for these two subjects, for ancient and for medieval, you can go with Drishti, because for Hindi medium aspirants there are limited material available in the market as compared to English medium aspirants. Even though Vision notes are super duper useful and must have material, like आपको देखना चाहिए एक बार. Total booklets are 32. And let me tell you one more thing, that I'm preparing in Hindi medium because I have heard that Hindi medium aspirants facing lots of challenges, so I accept that challenge. Although I choose Hindi medium to prepare this examination, but I have done all my education in English medium. So let's open the second bundle. So the weight is something around 16 to 17 kg, if I'm not wrong. So here is all the booklets besides me. So if we talk about the print quality, print is super visible, page quality is quite good enough. And I have bought the updated version, updated material. And I bought this budget key book. It's not included in this bundle, like in this in these booklets. So this is the first one, and this is for art and culture. And total booklets are 2. You can see 2021, this is the updated. And if we talk about modern India, there are 2 booklets for modern India, and 1 booklet for after independence. This is for after independence, Azadi ke baad Bharat. And if we talk about geography, there are 4 booklets for geography. This is the second part, third part, and the last one. So in total there are 4 booklets for geography. And if we talk about world history, there are 2 booklets. This is also for world history. And for international relation, you can see the thickness. So if we talk about the international relations, there are 2 booklets. You can see. And for polity, there are I got 4 booklets for polity and 1 for governance. I'm showing you all the thickness, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि book मोटी कितनी है. This is the third part. Fourth one. And this is for Shasan, single booklet. And if we talk about science and tech, 1 booklet, which is very good. And for society, 2 booklets are there. I'm showing you all the thickness of every booklet, so you will get idea. So this is for society. And for environment and ecology, I got 2 booklets from Vision. And if we talk about security, there is 1, which is also a very good thing. And for social justice, 1 booklet is there. And for disaster management, 1 booklet is there. And if we talk about economy, 3 for economy, which are very bulky. I got highest marks in 11th class in economics. Even then, I'm scared with the subject. I don't know why. So you can see the thickness of all 3 parts. And if we talk about ethics, there are 2 booklets for ethics. One for static portion and second one is for case study. And the last booklet is for essay. So you can see. So friends, I'm very much satisfied with Vision IS notes because मैंने थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा है and I am satisfied with the content. So you can see 32 booklets are there. So guys, this is it for today. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, as this is my first video, so I want to support. Thank you so much.